8 Reason why you should try cayenne pepper. Cayenne pepper, capsicum, is a spice made from air-dried fruits of the chili pepper family. It is a hot chili pepper used to flavor dishes. This spice is named for the city of Cayenne in French Guiana. The fruits are dried and ground, or pulped and baked into cakes, which are then ground and sifted to make the powdered spice. Cayenne pepper can help keep your eyes healthy. Cayenne pepper contains vitamin A. Vitamin A is known for improving one's eyesight and preventing night blindness and macular degeneration. Cayenne pepper can help you fight infections. Cayenne contains vitamin C. Vitamin C is a powerful natural water-soluble antioxidant that helps the body develop resistance against infectious agents and eliminates cancer-causing free radicals in the body. Cayenne pepper could help keep your hair and skin vibrant and healthy. Adequate vitamin C intake does not only improve the immune system, can also create and maintain collagen, an essential protein found in hair and skin. Cayenne pepper can help you improve your blood pressure. A balanced ratio of potassium and sodium in combination with folate contributes to the reduction of hypertension, relaxes blood vessels and helps maintain a proper blood flow. Cayenne pepper is loaded with B vitamin components. Cayenne pepper is a good source of B vitamin which can increase an individual's good cholesterol and reduce the risk of cardiovascular problems. A deficiency in niacin leads to pellagra, a disease characterized by diarrhea, dementia, dermatitis, and insomnia. Cayenne pepper can assist in red blood cell formation. Copper and iron are essential for the new blood cell formation. A deficiency in iron can lead to anemia, fatigue, and muscular weakness. Folic acid, B9, also helps the body to produce healthy red blood cells and prevents anemia. Cayenne can help improve cognitive functioning. The amount of iron in cayenne leads to increased hemoglobin production and increases blood flow. Proper amounts of oxygen and iron in the brain lead to improved cognitive performance and a decrease in cognitive disorders like Alzheimer's disease and dementia. Cayenne can improve your sex life. Just like cayenne spicy on your tongue, it helps add spice to your sex life. Hot peppers contain capsaicin, which creates heat and improves circulation and blood flow for erections, Isadora says. The peppers have an immediate effect, so try eating them when you're already ready to go. And maybe save dessert for later.